You work so hard. You work so hard. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you. Congratulations, you are such an inspiration. You work so hard. I wish you all the best on your day. My sister for life. I see all your hard work. You deserve all the success. All the success.
Take your flowers.
You take your flowers. Take your flowers. She deserves it. Don't have to you what best. Take your flowers. She deserves it.
Smile now.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You came at the right time.
Cry,
She's like very emotional right now. So you came at the right time. Yes.
It's okay. She's going to make me cry. Oh, I will put me on her put on you. It's okay. Oh yeah, yeah. We are shutting down today. Yeah, anybody. Stop now, you're going to make me cry. Oh. I'll start crying now. Today we're shutting down. Yellow day. Oh yeah. From June 6th, it's going to be in the cinemas. Go and watch it. You will love it. Don't you party festival? Mommy. 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 Finish the festival. Why you go away? You make me cry. I mean, you like it when you're episode you.
Did you guys know?
Nobody knew. Nobody knew. You deserve it. You deserve all the sweetness, all the love.
What are you wearing?
I don't even know yet. But it's okay. Alpha, I'm going to do my hair.
Where are you?
I'm in hotel.
Oh, you're in the
Yeah, I came because of you. You said you're going to be there. So I came. I said, let me be close to my sister. I have to support you. I'm in the hotel.
Everything is romantic in life now, but this got
You deserve it. You deserve it.